Raqib from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, we know that the time for Fajr prayer ends when the tip of the sun comes out, but if I cannot see that visually, can I rely on the Qur'an timetable?
The answer is yes. Allah Azza wa Jal holds us accountable to what we can see. So if we cannot see the rising of the sun, we can rely on the calendars or the timetables that tell us when sunrise is. However, you have to make certain whether they mean that the tip of the sun has just risen at this particular time or the whole sun has risen at that time. And there's a huge difference. There's a difference of maybe 7 minutes or so. So you have to make certain of that, and Allah Azza wa Jalla knows best. But also, you have to be really careful because salat is the most important deed in our lives. The problem with Muslims nowadays is that they have it the other way around. Basically, the norm is that our lives, our work, our hobbies, our desires all revolve around prayer times. So according to the prayer times, we plan our lives. Nowadays, it's the other way around. People prioritize their lives over prayer time. So if I have a hobby or if I have a meeting or business or a family gathering on the account of praying on time, no problem. I'll skip the prayer, I'll delay it, I'll pray it later on, maybe I won't pray it at all because it's not a priority. And this is a very grave problem, and Allah knows best. Ammar from the Netherlands.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
I have a question. I heard a lot from people that Ali, alayhi salam, that he lifted the door of Khaybar, and I also that he only removed it. Which one is correct?
First of all, we do not say Ali alayhi salam to distinguish him from all the companions. We say Ali radiyallahu anhu ardah. This is what Allah said in the Qur'an. Radiyallahu anhum wa radu anhu. This is how Allah described them. And Allah described those who gave the Prophet ﷺ the pledge of allegiance under the tree that Allah has, or Allah is pleased with them. Radiyallahu anhum. So we don't associate Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, with alayhi salam. This is used usually by the Shia, and some of the scholars of Ahl Sunnah may by mistake fell in this mistake, or the scribes who wrote the knowledge from them maybe changed it without their knowledge. Is Ali one of the strongest companions? Without any doubt. He was the strongest of the companions and the most bravest of all. May Allah be pleased with him. However, Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman are better than him. And this is our belief as Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah. And we believe that they're all in Jannah, and that the Prophet died while being pleased with them. And Abu Bakr and Umar are buried next to the Prophet ﷺ in his home, in the house of Aisha. Thirdly or fourthly, who's counting? Whether he carried the gates or opened it, it doesn't matter, because what counts is that he was strong. But was he a Superman? He could fly, he could do things that others can't do? No, he was a human being, but indeed one of the finest specimens of all. May Allah be pleased with him. And he was strong. So there's no need to exaggerate and affiliate stories of superheroes with him that are not authentic or logical even, and Allah knows best. Abdul Malik from France. Salam wa rahmatullah.
My question is, what is the ruling on self-defense? For example, if someone punched me multiple times in the face, what can I do?
Well, in fighting, usually, it's difficult to control yourself and say, oops, I'm trying my level best to avoid the face. Especially if you're trained to strike the face, as many boxers are. But we should be careful because the Prophet ﷺ prohibited us from striking the face. So you cannot strike straight into a person's face. You can hit the head, you can hit the neck, the sides, the temples, but not the face. Now, when a person is in a fight and he's defending himself, sometimes it's not possible to make a fraction of a second's choice, a decision. Whoops, I'm not going to do this. You just do it and then say, Astaghfirullah al-Azim, most likely. But try your level best not to do it deliberately, and Allah knows best. And may Allah protect us from being in such situations. Shaurin from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
My question is, my father owns a medicine shop. The medicine companies from which we source the medicine say that if we can sell the medicine for amount of money, we will give them a fridge or a washing machine or take them on a trip. So even when the month of Ramadan comes, they give the praying mat or various Islamic books as gifts. Is it permissible to take these gifts? Jazakallah.
What pharmaceutical companies offer can be a gift and can be a bribe. What they give to the clinic owner or the doctor who operates his own clinic or the pharmacy owner, and they say, if you sell this amount or you promote this medication, we will give you so and so and so. And there are no strings attached. This is a gift because it's like a commission. I'm selling as many possible of this particular medication and I'm not cheating anyone, and it's my money, it's my clinic. I'm not working for someone else. But if I'm working for a hospital and they come to me with a gift or with a 3-day seminar in Sharm el-Sheikh or in Dubai, or they give me a laptop, or they give me a mobile phone, and they say, Yani, this is a gift so that I can prescribe this medication as much as possible to patients, this is a clear-cut bribe, and Allah knows best.